laps, mate.
Oh, Jesus.
Shit. It's this guy's fault here. Into one. Oh, you're in one?
I'm in one.
Hazard lights.
Yeah.
Oh! I think they get a green arrow, we get one. Alright, let's go anyway. What the hell? What's that? 1 second it was green. Right up to the line, right up to the line. That's it. To one. Unbelievable. Kid on the rollerblades there, going across the crossing. Doesn't look too cold.
Oh shit!
Oh no!
Oh shit!
Oh, buddy! Oh, now see that? Into two, into two, into two. The f are you doing? Dots. That's it. Good. So we might get another lap in, but when we come back, we're going to use this loading zone here. Okay. Now I chose this lane because I know, right? See, this is Uber and same problem. Look at this.
I really want to
Just stop. Oh my God. So see, nobody wanted to wait in the lane we were in. Hey, because it's a learn. Look at them all go through the red light then. Oh, look. Look at this idiot here.
You're a moron. Whoa, mate!
Oh, shit, buddy. What the f are you doing, mate? It's pretty good and a good price too. Honestly, people. Well spotted, mate. To see the progression of people.
Yeah. Holy shit.
You just went through a red light?
Yeah.
So you can either try and take off like you have been or use your handbrake. With that Pajero right on our ass, I think we're going to go with the second option.
It's really honest.
Move your clutch to friction, bring it out, and handbrake down. Clutch more, there it is.